broken.
It's broken.
Broken.
Oh, put it in your bucket.
Oh,
Hurry up.
man.
Just put it in your,
In your bucket, right here.
just put it in your bucket.
Put it in the bucket.
Whoa. Hey.
Put in the bucket.
Something in
Right
here.
here, something in there, I know.
Look how many I found.
You need to get it. I got it.
Found one. Hey, look what's in here.
What's in there? What is it?
Look what's in here.
Who's that?
Whose name's on that?
I don't know.
Teresa?
Yummy for Daddy. Oh, I found a big race car in there. I see a coloring book.
Oh,
Ooh, that's for Boboy. That's for Boboy. That's not
Oh,
the race
I know.
car for Boboy.
Any chocolate, I get it.
Daddy, you know I found some chocolate day.
Oh.
Some chocolate head.
Is that mine?
Yep.
Okay,
we
we'll
found
come back on that
M&Ms.
one. We'll come back on that one because we gotta go hunt more.
Yeah.
Honey, you gotta take this so that I can take good video here.
Hey, look for eggs, boy. Oh, wait. Did you look in here?
I found one. Mama.
All right.
Yeah, she found
Oh,
one.
boy. Hey, look. Ah,
Go.
I'm scared.
Don't worry.
Don't worry. You open it.
Found another one.
You found another one.
I
Okay.
gave one to Bobo.
Okay, help Boboy. Let him pick. Let him pick.
You'll do it?
Come in.
Go ahead. You do it. No, you do it.
Just let it.
You do it.
Yeah, you found some. All right. Now I go with
I'll
Cici.
open it with your hand.
I'll gotta get going. Chris is getting all the thing. Help.
All right.
Come on. All right. Yeah, that's good. Get going, kids.
Cheryl Lane?
Can you get it?
I don't think so.
I can't reach it.
How about you lift her up? There you go.
Where are we going?
Better we get going. Be careful. Don't.
Troy, come to mommy, Troy. Troy, come over here. Hey.
Go. And go there.
Put that in your bucket.
Keep looking, boy.
Keep looking.
Keep
Yeah,
looking.
maybe. What's in there?
Go.
Yeah.
Keep looking.
Keep looking.
Found another one. He's an egg.
He's
He's a good egg
harvesting.
finder.
It's harvesting.
Well, he got another one.
All right. Now, how many do you have
All
there
right.
now? Yeah. Okay,
Keep
let's
looking,
go.
boy. Any more on the car? Any more?
Hey, Troy. Troy. Yeah. What the heck is Troy right now? This is too. They've gone so far. Oh, he's looking in the car. Caroline, you come over here to mommy.
Boy, did you look over here?
Krisa, go on your own way.
Troy, come here. I see one, boy.
Troy, Troy, go to
Troy.
daddy, Troy.
Troy, come
Troy,
here.
go to daddy.
Boy.
Krisa, go over there.
Right here.
And you, Caroline, you go over there.
All right.
Will we find it?
Yeah, he's finding a lot. So you go on your, go. Yeah, you did.
I found some.
Okay.
I found some.
Caroline, come over here. Caroline.
I am getting all this.
And go over there. See this? Uh-huh. You did. That's good. Good hunting. Come over here, Caroline. Go find where Krisa is. Go where Krisa is.
He's going somewhere else.
Go where Krisa is, Caroline.
I see it.
There's some pool. Oh, here, Louis.
I see one.
I found one.
I see it.
Boy.
Where is it? I see it. Do you see it, boy?
He's getting
Watch
on
your
that.
head.
That's
Watch your
good.
head. Don't stand up.
Find some more,
Don't.
Cheryline.
I found a
Here,
lot
look
of
at mine.
eggs.
Look at
I
over
see
there.
one.
See that? You found lots, Krisa? Find a little bit, boy. Find more? Daddy is the one that knows where to find them. Let me see yours, Krisa. It's Krisa. I didn't count it.
What do you mean?
I didn't count the eggs. Cheryline, let Mama see. Is that yours?
Yeah. They got a lot more than me.